Hello everyone, good morning. I'm Neelam, your art teacher, and this week we are practicing two shades color blending. So, for that, we need white sheet, one pencil, and I'm drawing here a curve on the corner and petals. It's a practice sheet, so we will practice two shades in each petal. Okay, so I'm drawing 3 layers of petals. So there is one more layer. This is the third layer. It's an A4 size sheet, and we will use oil pastel colors for this painting. So first I will use brown color for the center of the flower at the corner. In the curve I use 2 shades of brown color and one with a lighter shade. Okay, now for petals we will use only 2 shades for each layer. Just in the first layer I'm using red and orange color. I'm using orange color at the bottom of the petal and red color on the tip of the petal. The technique is that we have to use light color at the bottom area and dark color on the tip of the petal, and then we overlap the color in the center, and then we will mix these two overlap color with light color. Just in the third layer I am using orange color and yellow color. Yellow is the lighter one, so I am using it in the bottom area, and on the tip I am using darker orange. So you have to focus the technique and just apply 2 colors on one leaf, half dark, half light, and overlap in the center. And then you have to mix the center part where the 2 colors overlapped each other. Just you have to use the lighter color to blend them in scribbling technique. And scribbling technique is circular motion. You have to blend all the center part in circular motion with light color. So just you have to practice this technique in each petal. And focus on the finishing touch. Just outline the petal with the color and then fill the color. And give a little pressure on the edges, and in the center part with light hand you have to do the coloring, because you are mixing color in the center, so the pressure should be very light in the center of every petal. So like that you have to cover all the leaves. You have to practice on each and every petal the same technique. After completing the layers of this flower, you can paint 2 leaves with 2 shades of green color, light and dark, in the rest of the area. So just I'm drawing directly with the color, and I'm filling these leaves with light green, and then I will use dark green on one corner of the leaves. Technique will be the same. You can use the darker color on the tip or on the attached part. It's your choice, but you have to blend the color with same technique. Now on the background, on the rest of the area, I am using violet color. two shades of violet color. One is dark violet and one is light violet. So I am using dark violet on the edges and I am just applying the color. And I am leaving white space nearby the drawing of petals and flowers. There I will use light violet color and I will mix the violet color with darker color. So you can use light color first or dark color first, it's your choice. Just outline the drawing and then fill the color. Flower petals are the positive space and the rest of the background is the negative space. So everywhere when you color, just outline the shape and you can fill the color. And I'm using black color to give a little dark shade on the edges. So it's your choice, it's not necessary. And then I'm using black color to outline all the petals. It's again your choice. It's a finishing touch to this painting. So now my painting is done. At the end I will remove the tape. Hope you like the technique and hope you practice this. Thank you.